Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click. This confirms that the casing is securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your vehicle and test the key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking the doors. Your key fob should now work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.